How to make hard decisions easily. The Kyudo rule in life. We often stand at crossroads, unsure of which path to take. Hard decisions, whether in relationships, career, or personal growth, can feel like mental battles that drain our energy and paralyze our progress. But what if there was a way to face those decisions with calm, clarity, and purpose? Enter the Kyudo rule. Kyudo, the Japanese martial art of archery, isn't just about hitting a target, it's about the mindset behind every movement. In Kyudo, the archer does not focus on the outcome. Instead, they perfect their form, their breath, their stillness. The target is not the goal, it is simply the mirror. The Kyudo rule teaches us that the right decision doesn't come from obsessing over results. It comes from aligning ourselves with clarity, intention, and presence in the moment. When facing a difficult choice, don't rush to ask, what if this goes wrong? Or what if I regret it? Those are fears, not truths. Instead, apply the Kyudo mindset, still yourself, breathe, and draw your focus inward. Ask, what aligns with my values? What decision feels true, regardless of outcome? Make your decision based not on fear or pressure, but on clarity and internal alignment. Like the Kyudo archer, trust that if your mindset is correct, the arrow will find its path. Let go of perfectionism. Let go of needing certainty. The Kyudo rule reminds us that peace doesn't come from control, it comes from preparation, practice, and presence. So the next time you're stuck, overwhelmed by options, and afraid to choose, stop. Get quiet. Find your breath. Think like the Kyudo master. Don't aim to win. Aim to align. Let go. And release. The right decision isn't always the easiest, but it becomes clear when you stop focusing on the fear and start focusing on the way. The Kyudo rule doesn't make the decision for you, it reminds you who you are before you decide.